to recover permanently deleted photos on Android without backup. Part 1. Is it possible to do Android deleted photo recovery? Yes, it is possible to do Android phone photo recovery. You can recover deleted photos Android because the photos are not deleted. The photos still exist on the memory storage of your phone. Although the deleted photos disappeared from the Android gallery, or seem that you cannot find the deleted photo in Android. Many Android users have been asking repeatedly how to recover deleted photos Android. If you have accidentally deleted photos from your Android phone, you don't need to panic as there are ways to recover deleted photos Android. Part 2. How to recover permanently deleted photos on Android without backup. Eassiy Android Data Recovery is one of the best desktop programs that helps you to restore deleted and old photos from Android phones. It provides you with 3 recovery modes to retrieve deleted photos Android, including Samsung, Huawei, HTC, Google, LG, Sony, etc. It supports 6,000 Android devices. You can recover over 16 file types by using this program no matter how you have lost them. Download and install Eassiy Android Data Recovery software on your computer. Connect your Android device to the computer after launching the program. You will see the interface that allows you to select categories of deleted files when your Android device is connected. Select Gallery or Picture Library to retrieve deleted pictures from Android Gallery, and to continue, click the Next button. When there are many photos on your phone, the scanning process might take some time. The scan process is completed when the progress bar comes to 100%. You can preview the deleted photos in full size by double-clicking them with the registered version. Click Recover to recover pictures to the PC after marking the ones you want to restore. If you do not find what you are looking for on this screen, you can touch the Deep Scan button. Here it will do a much more complete scan to find everything deleted. That's all. I hope the video has helped you. If so, leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.